I've waited for so long for someone to call my own, counting down the days, wiping the tears away. There's nothing I wouldn't do to meet a soul like you. I wish I could find it. I wish I could find it. I wish I could find it and wrap it and keep it and put it in my pocket. I wish I could find a soul to love me and hold me close. I wish I could find a soul to love me and hold me close. 'Cause you light up my life. You light up my life. Yeah, you make me smile. Yeah, you make me smile. I said it's easy when everything you have done is led up to this, it's led up to this, it's led up to that. I said it's easy when everything you have done is led up to this, it's led up to this, it's led up to that. 'Cause you light up my life. You light up my life. Yeah, you make me smile. Yeah, you make me smile. 'Cause you light up my life. You light up my life. Yeah, you make me smile. Yeah, you make me smile. You make me smile. You make me smile. Yeah, you make me smile.
You left me with nothing but agony. I stuck by her side so happily. We needed each other like now I just know what is happening. I'm up in the deal with Timothy. Distracting myself, need a remedy. At first I thought that she was sent to me. What's happening? We started out Freddie and Daphne. So good that it felt like a trap to me. The girl in my dream like a fantasy. But we've been caught out in reality. We reached the pinnacle of apogee. It must been a victim of gravity. Because it declined so rapidly. I thought you was just like a masterpiece. Cause you all I see in my gallery. I should have had a better strategy. Cause I was falling for you naturally. But you've been plotting on me actually. You left me with nothing but agony. I stuck by your side so happily. We treated each other like drugs. Now I do not know what is happening. They tried to warn me it was bad for me. But I just brushed it off so casually. I put all my trust in the love. And I became another casualty. Coincidentally, you guarded my back and then you attacked. I never thought you was my enemy. It wasn't always like that. I remember the days when your voice was a symphony. Music to my ears. I would wipe your face when you would cry tears and then try to protect you from your fears. I was doing all of that for 4